This is the ViQure SLD laser hair removal device, the world's first super light emitting diode or SLD laser hair removal device, targeting hair follicles with a 780 to 850 nanometer near infrared light with a focused 8x8 millimeter treatment area and icy cooling technology prioritizing comfort. It's got 5 power levels from 9.5 joules for sensitive areas all the way up to 25 joules, which is the most powerful at-home laser hair removal device I have seen on the market. I was sent this for review, so let me show you a closer look, including what comes in the box, how to use it, and what it feels like. Wow! Got user's manual on top, a really nice carry pouch, velvety, protective eyewear. I love how compactly these fold up. A razor, whoop, cute little pink razor, and wow, this is your device. My goodness, it's gorgeous. Don't forget this drawer. That is where your power adapter is. Woo! This is a really cool box, not just for storage, but it just makes it really gift-worthy and luxurious feeling. This bit here, it's a nice long cord. I love that. So this is going to plug into the bottom of the device, and then this is the plug for the outlet, also very long. So altogether you've got really good reach to get from the outlet to the sofa or your bed or wherever you're going to be using it. Then we've got a grounded 3-prong plug into your outlet. The user's manual explains about the parts of the device. You've got a great LCD display and goes over the different power levels and how to use it. These are the skin tones it will work for and won't work for, as well as the hair colors. It will not work for super blonde, white, or red hair, but it's gonna work great for brown and black hair on the lighter skin tones. It even explicitly outlines the power level and mode recommended. In my experience, some areas are much more sensitive than others, so you might want to use a stronger power level on your legs versus your bikini area, for example. That's my personal experience, and it looks like what they're recommending here as well. This is something I have not seen in a hair removal device. They are marketing this also for skin rejuvenation, that you can use it on your face for sagging or aging facial skin, yellowing, dullness, lack of radiance, rough texture, fine lines or expression lines, and enlarged pores. What? That's so cool. For hair removal, it gives you treatment courses for the underarms, bikini, and beard. They recommend 20 to 30 days between treatments with 4 to 6 treatments needed total. And for arms, legs, back, chest, fingers, toes, perineal area, and hairline, they recommend 40 to 60 days between sessions. Again, the same amount, 4 to 6 sessions. Once you're plugged in, turn it on. You can hear the fan going to keep it cool. Look at that display. This button controls the power level from 1, that's 9 joules, 2, 3, 4, 5. The highest level is 25 joules. There is the window. Look inside. That is so cool. This is your cooling window. Yes. It is icy, really cold, this whole thing right here. Woo. We're gonna start with level 1. Glasses on. Can't trigger it if it's not covered. Nice safety measure there. Absolutely nothing. Feel nothing on level 1. Let's go up. We're at level 5. What? I felt the tiniest snap of a rubber band on that last one, but oh my gosh. Yep, I felt that. Let's go to 4. 0 pain. This is amazing! That cooling function literally like cancels out the zap or whatever it is. Felt a little bit on level 5, nothing on 4 and below. Amazing. I obviously just got this and haven't had a chance to have any kind of before and after, and I've been using IPL for 2 years, so again, don't really know what is previous devices versus this one, the effects and all that, but what I can say is that this seems like a really great device, super powerful with the 5 power levels, with the 5th one being crazy powerful. Level 5 on my toes, no pain. And the cooling window, which helps it be virtually painless, again, depending on which area and which power level you're using. Level 5 on my legs, no pain. For continuous mode, you just hold that trigger button and just glide it along. That is so fast. They do recommend using the gel on your skin so you can glide smoother, but honestly, I don't even use it and it works just fine. So I think it's really up to you. Long press the mode button to switch between HR for hair removal and SR for skin rejuvenation modes. Short press to go between power levels 1 to 5 in each of those. This seems like an amazing device. If you're looking for at-home hair removal, I would give this one a try. Link in video description to shop.